If you want everyone who sees your videos to follow you, here's what you should be doing. 1, ask them to follow you. Whether at the end of your video you say, hey, follow for more, or you tell them in text on the screen, make sure that you're asking for them to follow you. 2, give them a reason to follow you. Share what it is you do or who you are. Give them value. Give them a reason to follow you. 3, make sure that your video content is actually aimed at the people who you want following. You don't want bots following you. You don't want the wrong audience to follow you. You want your ideal audience to be following you, right? So make sure that your content is actually aimed at your ideal audience and not aimed like at yourself, more people like you, or aimed at too wide a range, right? And lastly, if you really want people to follow you, make sure that you're posting content that is followable. Start a series, part 1 out of 10, or say you'll share more later. Now, which one of these are you going to try this week and follow for simple ways?